Hello class, very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Welcome to online lecture from St. Thomas High School, Mahua. So, today we will start with our unit number 9, that is Mullah Nasruddin. Okay, so we will start with our chapter number 9. Before starting it, I would like to tell you that in 7th chapter, 7 unit, Alice the Wonderland, the spelling mistake was there was disappeared and curiosity. So please make change. By mistake I wrote like that. I also don't know. Okay. So do changes in your file notebook. So now we'll start with our unit number 9, that is Mullah Nasruddin. So activity 1. I am a 7-letter vegetable. My first letters are a vehicle. The next 3 letters are a type of luggage and my last 3 letters are a change every year. Who am I? So here picture is given. You can see. So first we will try it. Which can come? Okay. First is bottle guard. Bottle guard can come. B-O-T boat. But it is not that boat. So bottle guard cannot come and it is not of 7 letters also. Lady's finger. First letters are of for vehicles. No. Brinjal. B-R-I. No. Tomato. T-O-M Tom. No. Cabbage. C-A-B cab. Yes. Then also we'll say about carrot. C-R car. Yes. First two get cabbage and carrot. Now we have to say about next 3 letters, a type of luggage. In 2 only remaining, na, cabbage and carrot. Then cabbage, C-A-B. Okay. Then B-A-G bag. Yes, it is coming. 3 letter luggage. R-O-T road. No. So carrot cannot be the answer. So the answer is cabbage. First letters are a vehicle, that is cab. It's a taxi. We are calling a Ola, cab, like that. It is cab. Bag, that is 3 type of letter, that is of luggage, that is bag. You can know luggage, you can put you and you go outside bag. And age changes every year, means you are now in 8 years. So and next year you will go in 9 years. So every year your age is changing, no? So like that age is coming. So the answer will be cabbage. Okay. Now second is, what 11-letter word does everyone pronounce incorrectly? Answer in the question only. So which 11-letter word is there which pronounce incorrectly? The word itself incorrectly. Because when we speak incorrectly, it pronounce incorrectly only, na? So the answer is incorrectly. Third, everyone has me, but nobody can lose me. It always follow me in the light, but it disappear in the darkness. Who am I? All the person in the world has me. All the peoples are there has me. If I go in light, it is with me. But when I am going darkness, it disappear. When light is there, sunlight is there, I am with all the people. But when darkness is there, then I am disappear. Who am I? Who am I? Then see, here is the picture. You can see now that a person is there going, the light is there, the shadow is there. It occurs bigger than the person. So, and when night is there, our shadow does not support. So, the answer of activity number 2. Here are hilarious Maula Nasruddin stories. Once, Maula Nasruddin was lying on his bed with his eyes closed. He was lying in bed with his eyes closed. Okay. When his brother-in-law approached him. Brother-in-law means a person who is a brother of your father or your mother. See, if your mother's brother is there, that is your mama, that is also known as brother-in-law of your father. You can say brother-in-law means that your mother's brother. So here Mullah Nasruddin's wife's brother approached him. Are you asleep? That is telling, are you asleep? The brother-in-law asked Nasruddin. Nasruddin replied, why? What is it? The brother-in-law said, I wanted a loan of 300 rupees. Then Nasruddin asked, What happened? What do you want? Then he told, I want a loan of 300 rupees. I was wondering if you could lend me the money. I was wondering. Then he told, I want a 300 rupees loan. I was wondering if you could lend me the money. That I was wondering that please you can give me like that. Nasruddin replied, Oh, in that case, let us return to your first question. Then he replied, Oh, in that case. Then he returned to the first question. What he asked about? Are you asleep? Like that first question is there, na? And if the answer is to that is yes, I am asleep. So go and do not bother me. And Nasruddin what replied? Are you asleep means that you are sleeping or not? So Nasruddin told, let us move to first question. Then he told, if I will tell, yes, I was asleep, then you please go. I don't want any money. So what happened first? Let us take a summary from this first paragraph. Mullah Nasruddin was lying on the bed. Okay. Then the brother-in-law came and asked, Are you asleep? That he asked, Are you sleeping? Then Mullah Nasruddin was sleeping only. But what he asked, Why? What you want like that? What you want? Then brother-in-law told, I want 300 rupees loan. Please you give me. I will return you. Then Nasruddin told, Let's go to first question that what you asked. What you asked? Are you asleep? Then that the student told, Yes, I am asleep. Now, you don't tell me anything. Just go away. I don't want to listen. Don't disturb me. If you were Mullah Nasruddin, what answer would you give to the brother-in-law? Share the answer with your classmate. If I were Mullah Nasruddin, I would. Now, if the person has asked you about to give money, so what you will do? So you have to write it down here 2-3 points. Okay, and do not write in Fairbook, just in textbook only. You have to write by yourself. What you will do in that case if some person asks you if you are a child. Okay, some person is asking, please give me a chocolate of 5 rupees. Then after 2 days I will give you 2 chocolates. Then what you will do? You will give or not? Then you have to write what you will do. Mullah Nasruddin what do? No, that he don't want to give to his loan to his brother-in-law. So here you have to write your point by yourself. Activity number 3. Read the story silently. One day Mullah Nasruddin was talking to his neighbor. The neighbor looked very miserable. Miserable means that he was thinking something mystery is there. Nasruddin looked. Nasruddin asked him what was bothering him. What happened? Why he was serious like that? What is that? Then he asked him what was bothering him. The man started to complain about the lack of space in his house and said, It is such a small house, Mola. Then what the problem of neighbor? That his house was so small. He could not place anything in that. So he asked that my house is so small. Then what can I do, Mullah? My wife, my 3 children, my brother, mother-in-law and I all have to live together. So the person, his wife, his 3 children and mother-in-law, then six member is there and have to live in small house like that small house. Then how they can live in small house? In the same little cottage. It is very cramped and there is hardly any space to move around. It was little pain and it is hardly that if 6 person is living in the same room, then how they can do their work differently. So it is very hard, na? He asked Nasruddin for some advice on how to deal with this problem. So the neighbor is there. He asked to Nasruddin, what could I do? What could I do to solve this problem? Nasruddin said, Do you keep chickens in the yard? What he asked? Do you keep chickens in the yard? Yes, 10 of them, replied the man. Then, good. Bring them inside the house and keep them there. Then what Nashruddin asked, do you keep chicken in the yard? Then the neighbor replied, yes. Then Nashruddin told, good, bring them inside the house and keep them there. Bring the chickens in your house and keep inside the house only, said Nashruddin. But Mullah, the man exclaimed, my house is already overcrowded. Just do as I say. Nashruddin. Then what Nashruddin thought? My house is filled with too much people. Now how can I bring the chickens into my house? That is how the 6 people are living. Small house is there. Then many crowd is there na. Then how could they bring chickens in that? Nashruddin thought, do what I said. What I will say, you have to do like that only. The man was really very troubled and wanted to find a solution to his problem. The man wanted a solution that what I will do like that. He decided to give the mullah advice a try. He told, let's try. Mullah is saying, let's try like that. So the man went home and brought all the chickens into the house. He brought all the chickens into the house. Next day he went to meet Nashruddin again. He said, Mullah, I followed your advice and took the chickens into the house. Then next day neighbor goes to Nashruddin and said, I followed your advice. But it did not solve anything. But nothing could happen. It did not solve my problem. In fact, it has made matter worse, that much matter is occurring. Disturbance is there too much. My house is even more cramped now. I see, said Nashruddin. Now take your donkey and keep inside into your house. First he told, bring your chicken and keep inside your house. Now he is telling, bring your donkeys and keep inside your house. The man did not think much of these ideas, but Nashruddin managed to convince him to do it. Man, the neighbor was there. He don't want to do anything, but Nashruddin told, please do this. So he is doing. Do you think Mullah Nashruddin is giving an appropriate advice? What other idea, according to you, can be a suggest? Discuss with your classroom. So, here it is telling that Nashruddin is giving proper advice or not? Yes or no? Like that you have to write. What other ideas, according to you, can be suggest? That according to you means what you will suggest, that if your house is small, then what you will tell? That like that you go for big houses, like that. What advice you will give? Discuss with your classmate. Just you have to give your suggestion. Okay, so we will keep up our chapter, our unit up to here. Okay, the next lecture will go further. Thank you, students.